ESD conductive vinyl flooring contains conductive additives or a conductive layer that enables the rapid transfer of static electricity to the ground, preventing the buildup of potentially harmful charges. This provides continuous and reliable ESD protection, ensuring that the electrostatic potential in the environment remains within safe limits. As a result, the risk of ESD-induced damage to electronic components and equipment is significantly reduced. Reducing the risk of electrostatic discharge not only protects equipment but also ensures the safety of employees. Conductive PVC flooring minimizes the chances of electric shocks, creating a safer work environment and enhancing worker confidence. Static conductive flooring is widely used in various sensitive environments, including electronics manufacturing. In facilities where electronic components are assembled or tested, conductive flooring tiles are essential for protecting sensitive equipment from static discharge. Cleanrooms. In pharmaceutical and biotechnology settings, conductive flooring helps maintain a controlled environment by preventing static buildup, which can contaminate products. Telecommunications. Data centers and telecommunications facilities rely on conductive vinyl tiles to safeguard critical equipment from ESD, ensuring uninterrupted operations. Laboratories. In scientific research settings, static flooring is crucial for handling delicate instruments and materials, helping to maintain accuracy and safety.